Of course, those are the live pictures from the Parliament buildings right at the heart of the country's capital, Nairobi. And as you can see, just a few moments ago, President William Ruto's motorcade arrived at the Parliament buildings. And of course, that is him himself, the head of state, President William Ruto, led by senior KDF officers, indeed making his way into Parliament. Remember, he is the man of the moment, and the occasion being the very first address of the 13th Parliament. Of course, that will signal the start of the 13th Parliament. And that is him